It's for my official.
Okay, just
It's
drink
going
the
now?
soup first.
It's playing now?
Yeah.
Okay, drink the soup. Just the soup. Yeah, you just taste it.
Wow. Tastes good.
Oh, see? Told you. Then I'll open it.
Yung red.
Focus mo doon.
Yung yok yun.
Yeah. Well, just experience.
Then you close your eyes if you don't like to see it.
Yeah, just swallow it
the
all the way.
embryo of the balut.
Focus mo doon. Sige.
My first time.
Okay, bye.
Just don't look at it.
Put it in my mouth. Salt.
Lagyan mo yung buo.
Open your mouth big enough. Okay, swallow it. Swallow it all the way.
Chew.
Close your nose.
Just chew it.
Chew
Tastes
it.
good.
Huh?
Okay, chew. Tastes good.
Good one.
Okay, just chew.
Chew it.
Don't spit it out. like the Pure Factor, okay? Swallow. No, you chew it. It's good. Just like chicken and egg. Oh,
Egg yolk yun eh.
it's good.
Tastes good? Si Leslie naman.
Leslie, come here.
You eat balot.
Eat balot.
No.
Swallow.
Eat balot.
Don't
Eat balot.
Cow.
Eat balot.
Mom, kumakain sila ng
Swallow,
balot.
swallow. Eh,
Mike.
basta tubig.
Mama ng balot.
Okay, come on. You just swallow it. Look at me. I'll do the same.
And I'm gonna eat.
Yeah. Tastes good.
Kasi pinakuha niyo ng masyadong maraming ano. Ano yun?
Lagyan ko na.
Si Miguel nakatingin, no?
Sinubo lahat eh. Hindi na...
Miguel is looking at you.
You ate the whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eat the whole thing.
But why will you eat the whole thing? Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me sugar. Give me salt. Hindi na Coke. Okay.
Nanay, buhat mo si Miguel.
Coke?
Oh, kulang mo ba yun?
Sumong Coke?
Tastes good.
Hello, tatay ka mo.
Kasi masyadong marami ko yun lang. Eh, ba't masyadong ano yata ulit? Bakit hindi sakit eh? Anong tawag doon?
Video.
Puti. Oh, sa'yo na ito.